Guys, let's do this equation, solve the following differential equation, and we now start. So we start by finding the complementary function, which is found by converting this to quadratic equation. That is the first part, and equating the other one to 0. So this is lambda squared minus 5 lambda plus 6. This one gives us now 0. We first of all equate it to 0 because we are finding the complementary function. Since guys you have done a lot of quadratic equation, I can go direct to the answer for that. That is lambda 1 will be equal to, when you solve this quadratic equation, will be equal to 2. Lambda 2 is going to be, that is root 2, is going to be 3. And so we can write our complementary function as y1 equal to a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to 3x. So guys, that is our complementary function. Now guys, we come and find out the particular integral, which is y2. So for y2, we are going to say y2 will be equal, now we look at this equation here, negative 3 sine theta. Having an equation in that format, we usually give it this form. That is c sine x, put it as x as this, plus d cos x. So that is the format we usually put it. From there now guys, we can now come and find out the differentiation of y2. So this one is going to be d y2 all over dx. This one will give us c cos x, and then we go to this one will give us minus d sine x, like that guys. Then from there we come and find out the second order, second differentiation, which now will give us, this one is going to be equal to minus c sine x, while this other one is going to be minus d cos x, like that guys. So from there now, we are now looking for particular integral. And we know that particular integral plus complementary function gives us now the solution. So guys, we continue. So I'm going to write this one in this format here. The format we are given for y2 now. Come and write this one. That is negative c sine x minus d cos x, like that, minus 5. Now we write this c cos x plus, that is this is the y, is actually supposed to be minus d sine x, like that guys. And then from there we come to plus 6. Then y is c sine x plus d cos x, like that. So this one gives us now minus 3 sine x like that. And because we don't have a cos, we can actually introduce and say plus 0 cos x like that, because this one remains 0. So from there, guys, we come and equate coefficient of sine and coefficient of cos. For coefficient of sine, we'll have negative 3 this side, but here we shall have, if I go direct, guys, I'll have minus c. This is minus c. Then I go to this. For this one is plus. This is minus, so it is plus 5d. That is for sine. I'm equating coefficient of sine, this side and the other side. This is d. And finally here we have plus 6c. So this one, guys, we'll find it to come to negative 3. And therefore, guys, minus c plus 6c will be 5c plus 5d. This one now gives us negative 3. Now let us look for the coefficient of cos. Coefficient of cos this side is 0, so we shall have 0. But here we have now minus d for cos here. Here we have minus 5c like that. And here we have plus 6d like that. This one is going out to be 0 like that. So if you come here now, we shall have minus 5c, and then we have, this is 6d minus d is 5, let's say 5d like that. Then here we have minus 5c plus, this one now gives us 0. So guys, we can now do this simultaneous equation. Maybe I can give you an assignment to do that, but let me just write the answers for that. We shall have c is equals to negative 3 over 10, and d likewise is negative 3 over 10. Find out where I've gotten this from. If you do that, you shall get this. And so guys, we continue from there. Now we go to our conditions. Our conditions that were given there were like this. Y, let me write with this, y 0. This one we found out that it was 0. And guys, we know that our y is supposed to be given by y is equals to y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2. So this one is going to be equal to, for y1 we have a, e, 2x there, plus b, e, 3x, and then y2. Y2 we have it here, guys. This is our y2. Since now we have been able to find c, we just write minus 3 all over 10 sin x minus 3 all over 10 cos x, like that, guys. So we can actually now put our y, when x is 0, y is 0. So we are going to have 0 is equal to, now we come here, we replace with 0 there, so that one we shall have a, for this one we shall have b, when we replace x with 0 here, this and that. Then you have minus. This is going to be 0, so we leave it out. We are left with minus 3 all over 10 because cos is going to give us 1. So let's continue, guys. Now we come to y. This is dy. We write it like this, dy dx, like that. Condition 0. This one gives us 2 over 5. So now, guys, since we have our y here, this is our y, we are going to find the derivative for that, or first order differentiation. So this one is going to be, for this, it is going to be 2a e raised to 2x, like that. This one we are finding the dy dx, plus, now this is going to be 3b e raised to 3x, like that. Coming here, we will find minus 3 over 10 cos x, and this one now is going to be plus 3 over 10 sine x, like that. Now, guys, we come and replace. So when we come and replace, this is what we are going to find out. 2 over 5 is now equal to, we replace there with 0, we have 2a, like that. For this one, we shall have plus, if we replace with the 0 there, we have 3b, like that, and then minus. This one is going to be minus 3 over 10. Because when we replace with the 0 here, it's 1, here it's 0. So this is our equation, guys. We have two equations. So one of the equation, guys, which is the simultaneous equation we are having, is 0 equals to a plus b minus 3 over 10. The other one is 2 over 5, 2a plus 2b plus 3b minus 3 all over 10. Guys, since you have done simultaneous equation, let me give you an assignment. You can go and find out what is the value of a and b. But meanwhile, guys, I'll still give it to you. So our a is equals to, after doing the simultaneous equation, is 1 over 10, while b is 1 over 5. And so, guys, we can now write the solution of that problem. And the solution is going to be like this, guys. It's now going to be y like that is equals to, now we write this, we have this equation here now, guys, is what we are writing, having found what is a and b. So it is going to be 1 over 10, then you write e raised to 2x, like that, plus b is 1 over 5, then e raised to 3x minus 3 over 10 sine x, that is sine x, minus 3 over 10 cos x. So this is our solution, guys. And so, guys, I thank you for being together with me, and may God bless you so much. So this is how the problem is supposed to be done. And so, guys, have a nice time, even as we continue to learn more mathematics. And guys, thank you so much. This is how we had to do that problem.